gotta get to the bag, I gotta get to my paper, I gotta get to my bag, I gotta get to my paper. It's time to get it. Yeah. I prophesize my pocket size, I do advise, get money, double up, reinvest it and do it wise. Cause if you don't, you just a pawn in that rat race, working for some cheese. Equity is the thing we chase. Start a business, buy a property, rent it out, do it again, but this time with a big amount. Now you got profits, money coming in passively. Let me count my cash as I walk to this bank fantastically. Woo! Y'all better take heed to what I'm saying. Don't let this go over your head like Tesla doors. Yeah, what? Yeah, yeah. Real life monopoly, teaching it to you properly. Cause our liabilities, put that money to properties. Stocks and bonds, liquidated commodities. Gold, silver, oil, try to get them in quantities. Here's a secret, something that you should think about. When you got a business, make sure you got a bank account. Cause when you do, expenses are paid back endlessly. Deduction code 273, Google's a friend of me. Consumerism produces winning. Spending your earned income, giving them more millions. What if you got children? What will you pass to them? It's time to break the curse. Let's have a better earth. I'm talking wealth, not riches, the ones that pay the ballers. Then background players, people that's owning water. Well, here's some H2O trying to hydrate your mind. It's time to open up. Better get on your grind. It's time to get your paper. No one is stopping you. Time to get out your way. Now let's see what you do. This ain't no soap opera. Only one life to live. I wanna live it fully. I wanna live it big. I gotta get to my bag, I gotta get to my paper, I gotta get to my bag, I gotta get to my paper, I gotta get to my bag, I gotta get to that paper. It's time to get it.
Money make that world go round.